Welcome to the Evolution Portal. In this video, we will walk through the main features of the portal interface, including how to create and manage cases efficiently, monitor order progress, and access patient and financial information. Evolution Portal directly integrates with all major intraoral scanning brands, allowing for instant file transfer and lab production. If you're looking to manually upload a case, select Create Order in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Enter the patient's details. Choose a production category. Note that the categories are generalized, so it is essential to include detailed instructions in the case notes. Proceed to check out and upload all relevant case files, and when ready, click Submit Order to finalize. If you need to provide additional information after submitting the order, you can use the communications window to send a direct message to the lab. To track a case, go to the Orders tab and select the relevant case. Copy the tracking number at the top of the screen and paste it into your preferred web browser to view shipping progress. To access a printable copy of the case invoice, click the Details button within the order. From there, you can download or print the invoice for your records. Thank you for using the Evolution Portal. For additional support or questions about your cases, our team is always here to help.